Hello everyone, this is Yasser and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install Git on Windows. So let's get started. I have already opened my favorite browser, which is Google Chrome. I'm just going to type Git in the search bar and enter. As we go on the next page, we will click on the very first link where it says Git, and it will take us straight on the Git website. I have already attached this link in the description below, so please just have a look. If you come down on this page, you will find an option where it says download for Windows. Just click on it and then click on the very first line where it says click here to download the latest version. So we click here and it will start downloading a file for us. So once the file is downloaded, we will install Git. So our file is ready to go. I'm just going to click on the file and open it. My computer is taking longer than usual. So just clicking on install anyways. So if the message window pop up which says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. And this window will come up. So just click next on this one. And I'm going to click next here, and then where it says just click where it says on the desktop. So if you want to keep your Git on the desktop, you can click here and then click next and go with the default settings. You don't have to change anything, and we'll install it. It's not gonna take more than a minute. But in the meantime, I would like to introduce you about my channel. I will be uploading some quality content related to web development, so please do not forget to subscribe my channel. We are almost there. So if you want to open Git straight away, just click where it says launch Git Bash. And you will see a terminal straight on your window. And if you'd like to know if the Git is properly installed, just type git command and enter. And if you see this message, it means your Git is ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe my channel and see you next time.